Hi, today I'm making baked potatoes, a recipe you're sure to love. They'll turn out golden brown and crispy on the outside and fragrantly soft on the inside. I washed and peeled 900 grams of potatoes. Placed them in a saucepan and added 300 grams of ice. Added cold water to release the starch and give the skins a nice crispy flavor. Added 2 teaspoons of salt. Let them sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I return the potatoes to the stove and simmer them for 5 minutes after boiling, as they were large. If the potatoes are small, cook them for 4 minutes. I generously brushed the bottom with olive oil and sprinkled with herbs de Provence for a magical aroma. Now I take 1 large clove of garlic, crush it and chop it finely with a knife. I spread the garlic evenly over the bottom of the pan. The potatoes are cooked and cooling. Now I slice the potatoes with a knife into slices about 4 to 5 millimeters thick. I press the potatoes with my hand in one direction. Carefully place each potato in the prepared pan. Melt 60 grams of butter in the microwave. Lightly brush the potatoes with a pastry brush until golden brown. Do not overcook the potatoes while baking. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. 10 minutes before the end of cooking, I remove the potatoes, brush them again, and turn on the convection mode. Continue cooking until golden brown. Sprinkle with soft pepper and garlic. Chop green onions for garnish. The potatoes are ready. I'm adding the greens. The potatoes are a beautiful golden brown and the aroma is simply amazing, filling the entire kitchen and every room. The potatoes have a wonderful aroma, creamy, garlicky, with that homey flavor that really whets your appetite. I'll try this right now. Since I stored the potatoes in ice, they separate easily. The crust turned out golden brown, just as I expected, and the center was incredibly tender. The potatoes simply melted in my mouth. Enjoy! If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Bye!